friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking ground beef in the air fryer. So all we need is ground beef and seasonings. I'll just use simple salt and pepper. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put ground beef in the air fryer basket. And now I will just sprinkle it with seasonings. Salt and pepper, and then I use a spatula to just kind of break it up a little bit. And also I'm gonna mix it, add more seasonings on the other side. And now let me put the air fryer basket in the air fryer, and let's set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket, and now I'm going to completely break up the ground beef. So break it up and then also mix it. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the ground beef. Wow, it's perfectly cooked. It looks amazing. Look at that. Perfectly browned ground beef. Now, if you use the larger quantity of beef, 8 minutes might not be enough time. If that's the case, if your beef is not perfectly brown, just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 3 minutes or so, or until it's fully cooked. But for me, it was enough time, so it was 1 pound of ground beef. Take it out of the air fryer. And a great thing is that the ground beef fat drains into the hole, so you don't need to drain it. So here's perfectly drained, cooked ground beef done in the air fryer. So easy, you will love it. Now let me try it. So good. Perfectly cooked, juicy, delicious ground beef. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!